This hair is giving Coco from Love Island, right? I mean, the volume, the length, I went shorter. I wanted mine to be more face framing. We have a half wig, y'all. So this ain't even a lace wig. It's giving that same vibe and I'm freaking loving it.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
I think Coco on Love Island is so beautiful and I absolutely love her hair. So we are channeling the Coco Love Island hair today. We went shorter, but still giving that volume, that fullness, that va-va-voom, the baby hairs, everything. So this is a half wig from Geeta Hair. The girlies said we're not doing lace this summer and I'm like, who's not doing lace? I'm forever a lace wig girly. But this wig has me contemplating wearing lace this summer, okay? If you want to see how I installed this hair, how I blended my natural hair with this half wig, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So today's wig is from Geeta Hair. I'm super excited. So it comes with some freebies, of course. It comes with this elastic melting band. It comes with this wide tooth comb, which I really love for like making my curly hair just look a lot more full. And it also comes with these heart-shaped powder puffs. These are really cute. And also these false lashes. So the wig is packaged in this plastic bag just like this. So here is the Kinky curly wig straight out the box. It does have these gorgeous curls, y'all. I have not washed this hair, co-washed it, or anything. So exactly how I'm getting it is how you're going to receive it as well. It does have 3 wig combs in the top of the wig. It has 1 wig comb in the back. It also has this adjustable elastic band strap. And it has this drawstring in the back so that you can tighten the wig and make it nice and secure on your head. So I went ahead and put my natural hair in 2-strand twists right in the front. This is going to be the hair that I leave out. And then everything in the back is just in a ponytail. And then I did braid my hair in the back and I put on this wig cap just to protect my hair in the back. So let's go ahead and throw this half wig on. This is fitting my head nice and snug already, y'all. But let's tighten it further with this drawstring in the back. I didn't even have to use the wig combs. It's honestly nice and secure on my head and I absolutely love that. So before I take my natural hair out, I do want to define the curls on this wig. I am using a bottle that I had left over from like a Camille Rose spray, but I mixed in water with a little bit of the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner. I love that and I just shook it up. So we're going to use this to wet the hair a bit and just hydrate it. So I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair down all the way on this side and then I'll be back. So once the hair is nice and hydrated, I'm going to go in with a curl mousse. This one is from African Pride. This is the rose water and argan oil one. Honestly, it really doesn't matter what mousse you use. Just make sure that it's a hydrating one and that it doesn't dry out the hair because that's the last thing you want. And it also helps that this stuff smells really amazing too. So I'm just running it through the hair. And then I'm going to take my brush and we're going to brush through these curls, y'all. Like, look at those curls now. Make sure you really get those ends because that's where the hair tends to be the most dry. And you really want the curls on the ends to be nice and defined. So we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on this side. First, we're going to drench the hair with the water and leave-in conditioner mixture. Next, I'm going to take the mousse again, and we're going to generously apply this all to the hair. Focus it on the full shaft of the hair, but also really on those ends. And you could definitely finger coil the hair too if you would like. So after that, we're going to take the brush just to define these curls even more and detangle the hair. So you could definitely let the hair fully air dry, but I'm going to diffuse the hair today. I'm going to use the FHI. I think this is their Versus Spear, and I have the diffuser attachment on. So let's go ahead and diffuse this hair now. So major key when I'm diffusing the hair is I like to start on warm to get the hair dry, but then when it's about 80% dry, I switch to cool only and I finish the hair that way, and it gets the hair nice and shiny and it doesn't look as frizzy. Look at this hair after you diffuse it. Freaking gorgeous. Yeah, you can wear it straight out the box, but why would you not do your hair like this, you know? So I'm gonna do cool air one more time and then we'll be done. And another major key is making sure that you flip your head from side to side. So this hair can go on this side and you diffuse that way, and then do the other side, diffuse that way. That's going to give you a lot more volume as well. So before we start combing out this hair and get it like as big as possible, and also figuring out like how we're going to do the top part right here, let's go ahead and take out my natural hair. So we're going to get a little bit of oil for this step. This is the Kerastase Elixir Ultime, and I'm gonna put just a little bit on my hands, nothing crazy. Rub it around. This is just to make sure I don't have too much extra frizz with my hair, and we're gonna start taking it out from the bottom to the top. So just unravel it. So that is what we're working with up top. I'm just going to take this comb just at the roots. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side as well. Then make sure you comb out these roots, y'all. You can leave your roots puffy, or you can go in with a little bit of edge gel if you would like. I'm gonna leave my roots puffy just because this is a kinky curly wig and I just think it makes it look more natural in my opinion, especially the more days that you wear the wig. So now we need to figure out how we want this hair to lay. There's not a middle parting, so it doesn't have to be like this. We can literally make it look like it's a flip over type of vibe. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the roots of the half wig and just pull that up. Give it some volume, okay? Because we do want to give this hair some nice volume. Even though we defined the curls, we want the hair to look as full as possible. At least I do. If y'all don't do this step. And I'm using the comb that came with this wig, y'all. So let's do the same on this side as well. Just start picking this baby out. Don't be afraid to get up under there, get that underside, get the back, everything. Just because we're wearing a half wig, we don't want it to look like it's a wig. That's why we're doing no lace. We want it to look like our natural hair. So look at that. And I know a lot of you like to see the back of the wig. So check the back, sis. She is nice and full. So gorgeous from the front to the back, honestly. So I did decide to go ahead and do one baby hair. I mean, we needed to channel Coco from Love Island. She got that swooped baby hair going on, okay? And I just think that this half wig is such a vibe. It's so pretty, it's so full, it's effortless. I don't have to straighten my natural hair, so that's like a thumbs up for me. If I can rock a half wig and not have to do much to my natural hair texture, that's everything, okay? I would consider this to be a bomb protective style for the summer, to be honest. So if you're interested in checking out this wig from Geeta Hair, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with, so y'all can save some coin. Speaking of Love Island, let me know who your favorite person is on the island currently right now in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already checked out my latest video, what are you doing? I did a summer favorites video. These are all the products that I cannot live without. Be sure to go check that out next.